Good morning students, welcome to my class. So in class 3 English language, today we are going to do learning with Ladybird. Okay, this is pages 22 and 23. Today I am going to do this, okay, pages 22 and 23 we are going to do, okay, in English language class 3A. Okay, so you see today I am going to make you explain about ordinal numbers. What are ordinal numbers? Okay, so you see we use ordinal numbers to talk about what order things happen in. Okay, we can write ordinal numbers in two ways. Ordinal numbers for first 1, 2 and 3 are like this, first, second, third. Okay, see actually they are position words. Ordinal numbers are position words, you can say. Okay, like you see, if I write down here 1. So for 1, what we are going, we can write ordinal numbers in two ways. Okay, for 1 we can write first. Okay, and the spelling will be first. Two ways. He is in first position. We say no. He is first in the class. He is in the first position. He is second in the class. He is in the second position. He is third in the class. He is in the third position. So in that way we can write. You see. So 1 we can write it as first. Okay. 2 we can write it as second. ND we will join. Okay. And the spelling will be second. In this way we can write. Okay. 3 we can write down as third. THIRD, third. Okay. So in this way we can write. These are all ordinal numbers. Okay. So we use ordinal numbers to talk about what order things happens in. In what order the things are. We can say he is in the 7th position, or he is in the 7th place, he is in the 10th place, he is in the 10th position. Okay. So you see here the ordinal numbers for first 1, 2 and 3 we can write like this. First, second, third, you see on the board. We write and say them like this. Today is my 7th birthday. Okay. Today is your 8th birthday. Today is my 7th birthday. Today is my 5th birthday. Today is my 10th birthday. You can say it in this way. Or September is the 9th month of the year. January is the 1st month of the year. February is the 2nd month of the year. In this way also you can say we use ordinal numbers. Okay. Here we are when we are using ordinal numbers, that we are seeing. Okay, in what type of sentences we use ordinal numbers? Okay, 1st April, date. For using date we use. Okay, today is 7th April. Okay, so today is 7th April we can say. Yesterday was 6th April. Tomorrow will be 8th April. Okay, so to use the dates we can use. We can say. Okay, for saying birthdays you can say, for saying months you can say. Okay, this is the second week of the month. For saying all this type of sentences we use ordinal numbers. Okay, for most numbers we usually change the end of the word to th. Okay, like 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. You see all these we are adding th, but first, second, third we are not adding. Okay, the numbers in green don't use this rule. Okay, so you have to refer to page 22. You please see page 22. You see, okay, all right. So just I'll write down some ordinal numbers on the board. Okay. So you just make a list from 1st to 30th. You write down. Okay, from 1st to 30th you write down the ordinal numbers in your copies, English language copies. Okay, on the top you give the heading as learning with Ladybird. Okay, first let us start. First, second, okay, third, fourth, fifth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, Okay, after that is 9, then 10. You have to be very careful with the spelling. 9th spelling is N-I-N-T-H, not N-I-N-E-T-H. Okay, 9. Okay, N-I-N-T-H. 9. 10th. Okay. 11. You see here 11. Okay. 12. 12, 13, Thirteen, 13, 14, 14, okay, then 15, 15, I hope you can see, yeah, 15. Okay, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19. After 19, what is there? It comes 20th. Okay. Okay, 20th. T-W-E-N-T-I-E-T-H. 20th. Okay. So we have to complete till 30. I said. Okay. First you see till 20th. Then I'll erase and I'll write down. Okay. So first one you see. First one you see first. Okay, we can even write the number also, no problem. First, second, third, let us write down first. Okay, in this way. First. Okay, first. This is second. Okay, this is third. I hope you can understand. Yeah, you can understand. Let's just put a line. It will be easy. Okay. Third, fourth. Okay. See fourth, TH. Okay, first ST, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, okay, 78, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, TH, 13, okay, 14, I hope you can understand, yes, okay, 14, I'll give a line here so that you understand. Okay, you can understand in this way, you can understand 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, okay, 15, see your 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. See, in this way you can write clearly, okay? In this way you have to write down, okay? 28, I said I'll complete till 30, okay? See, once you see, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20th. Okay? So we are going to start from 21st. Okay? Okay, 20th we have done till 20th. Now we are going to do from 21st. Okay? 21st. We'll write it in numbers also. 21st. 21st. Okay. When you see 22nd. We don't write 22. Okay. We write 22nd. Alright. 21st, 22nd, 23rd. In this way we write. Okay. 23rd. 23rd, 24th, 24th, 25th, 25th, 26th, 26th, okay. 27th, 21st, okay. 21st after 20th we are doing 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, okay. So in this way you have to write down. So we are going to continue from 28. Okay, we are writing in the form of numbers also. 28, okay. Alright, 28. Next number is 29. Okay, see the spelling Ninth. 29. Alright, then that is 30th, okay. 30th is 30th, okay. Please see, once again you see 28, 29, 30th. So you have to write from 1 to 30th, okay. That one you write down. Then you see 40th. What is the spelling of 40th? Fortieth, 40th. This is 40. This is 40th, okay. Then 50th you see Fifteth. This is 50th. You should know. That's all. 40th, 50th, okay. Then 60th. Sixtieth is 60th, okay. You see, once again you see this one. This is 28, 29, 30th, 40th, 50th, 60th, okay. So we have done page number 22. We have done, okay. Alright, now we are going to do page 23. Alright, write the ordinal numbers. So you see here in the form of jumbled words it's given, okay. All jumbled up. The letters are actually jumbled up. You have to write down the proper one. So I am saying you please write down. Number 1 is already given there. 38. It is given there. You see all the jumbled words are there. 38. Okay. Number 2 will be 43rd. 43rd. F-O-R-T-Y. 40 T-H-I-R-D. Third. 43rd. F-O-R-T-Y. 40 T-H-I-R-D. Third. 43rd. Number 2. Okay, we are writing the ordinal numbers. Write the ordinal numbers. Page number 23 we are doing. Number 1, 38. It's already given. Number 2, 43rd. Number 3, 12. T-W-E-L-F-T-H. T-W-E-L-F-T-H. ELFTH, 12th. Okay. Number 4 is 32nd. THIRTY, 30, SECOND, second, 32nd. Alright. Number 5 is 44th. FORTY, 40, FOURTH, 44th. Okay. Here the most important thing is the spelling. The spelling should be correct. Okay. 44th, FORTY, 40, FOURTH, 44th. Then 26th. TWENTY, 20, SIXTH, 26. That is number 6. Okay. Now you see, write the ordinal numbers in 2 ways. Okay. You have to write down in 2 ways. 33 like 33rd. 33rd you have to write in digits also and in spelling also. Okay. 33rd. So 2 ways. You know how to write down in 2 ways. Just now I taught you. Okay. 45 you can write it as 45th. And you can write it as in spelling also 45th. Okay. 50th. Both in letters, numbers, and that is 50th, 50th. And you write down the spelling 50th. 19th. You write down in the same way 19th. 13th. Then 27th. 47th. 47th. 31st. 31 means 31st. 28 means 28th. Okay, 28th. Once again I am saying, please follow number 1. Write the ordinal numbers in 2 ways. 33 will be 33rd. 33rd. 45 will be 45th. Okay, 45th. 50 will be 50th. 19 will be 19th. 19 it is already there. 19 will be 19th. Okay. 13 will be 13th. 13 will be 13th. 27 will be 27. 27. You have to keep in mind 27. 47 will be 47. Okay. 31 will be 31st. 31 will be 31st. 28 will be 28. Okay. Page number 23. You are going to do it in the book itself, not in the copy. Okay, you will not do this in your copy. Okay, page 23 you are going to do it in the book itself. And you are going to write this, whatever I wrote on the board, from the ordinal numbers from 1 to 30th. You are going to write in your English language copies, plus 40th, 50th, 60th. Whatever I wrote on the board, you are going to write in the copies. But page 23 you will not do in the copies. You are going to do page 23 in the book itself because place is given there. Okay students, please go through ordinal numbers. This was learning with Ladybird. Okay, thank you.